What's up, kids? How you doing? Welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today, we're going to be talking about the king of the jungle, lions. Roar! Cool 7 fun facts about lions. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 1. Lions are the second largest big cat species in the world, right behind tigers, which are the largest. Lions live in groups called prides. Cool. I sure don't want to come across a pride of lions. Ready? Fact number 2. The average male lion weighs around 400 pounds. Whoa, that's pretty big. The average female lion weighs around 300 pounds. That is a big cat. Ready? Fact number 3. The roar of a lion can be heard from 5 miles away. Whoa, that must be loud. Cool stuff. Ready to hear a roar of a lion? Let's go! Play that sound! Whoa! That is scary. I'm quaking in my boots. Ready? Fact number 4. Female lions, which are called lionesses, are better hunters than males and do most of the hunting for a pride. Wow! Females do all the hunting. That is cool stuff. Go lionesses. Ready? Fact number 5. Lions can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, but only in short bursts because they lack the stamina. After the short burst, they need a rest for a very long time before they can run that fast again. Neato. Lions are fast, but only in short bursts. Cool. Ready? Fact number 6 about lions. Lions, just like common house cats, sleep for almost 20 hours a day. Whoa. That means that they're only awake for 4 hours. That is super lazy. Ready? Here it comes. The last fun fact about lions. Fact number 7. Unlike most cat species, lions not only love water, but they are excellent swimmers. They can swim for a long time and cross rivers because they are very strong. Whoa, I mean most cats hate water, but lions love it. Cool, I had no idea. Neato. Well, kids, that has been 7 fun facts about lions. Cool stuff. Thanks for tuning in to Facts for Kids. I will see you next time. See ya! Adios! Auf Wiedersehen! Bye! Hey kids! Welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today, we're going to be talking about robots.
I'm going to talk like a robot. This is a robot voice.
Ready? Here it comes. 7 fun facts about robots. Fact number 1. The first ever robot was created in the 5th century BC. That's a really, really long time ago, kids. It was created by a man named Archytas. The robot was a mechanical dove. Whoa, that is a really old robot. Ready? Fact number 2. The first humanoid robot, humanoid means kind of like a human, was built by Westinghouse in 1939. Its name was Electro. That's a cool name. It was 7 feet tall and could speak 700 words. Whoa, that's pretty smart for 1939. It spoke those 700 words from vinyl records. Whoa, remember records, kids? That was a long time ago. Fact number 3. The word robot comes from the Czech word robota, meaning drudgery. Drudgery means the work that no one wants to do. That's why we created robots, to do all the work us humans don't want to do. Ready? Fact number 4. More than 1 million industrial robots are now in use. Nearly half of them in the country of Japan. Industrial robots are robots that do things like assemble cars, build machines, and all other kinds of cool stuff. They also do dangerous things that humans can't do safely. Wow, thanks robots for doing the dangerous stuff. Ready? Fact number 5. There is a company called iRobot. It has sold more than 2 million Roomba robotic vacuum cleaners. These robotic vacuum cleaners can sense the environment around them using infrared sensors. Whoa, that's how they know to not hit furniture when they're vacuuming. Neato. Ready? Fact number 6. A robotics laboratory in England created robots that use bacteria-filled fuel cells to produce electricity from rotten apples and dead flies. Ew. But honestly, that's pretty cool. Getting electricity from rotten apples and dead flies? That is awesome. Neato. Ready? Here it comes. The last fun fact about robots. Fact number 7. Cybernetics professor Kevin Warwick calls himself the world's first cyborg. Cyborg means half human and half robot. Neato. Kevin has computer chips implanted in his left arm. With these chips, he can remotely operate doors, an artificial hand, and even an electronic wheelchair. Whoa! Kevin is like a robot. He really is a cyborg. Neato. That is awesome. Cool stuff. Well, kids, that has been 7 fun facts about robots. Thanks for tuning in to Facts for Kids. I will see you next time. See ya. Adios. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye. Hey, kids. Welcome back to Facts for Kids. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to be talking about 7 fun facts about whales. That's right, all about whales. Cool stuff. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 1. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth. It is larger than any of the dinosaurs. Whoa. The biggest recorded blue whale was the height of a double-decker bus and as long as a Boeing 737 airplane. Whoa, that is one huge whale. Ready? Fact number 2. The heart of a blue whale is about the size of a Volkswagen Beetle car. Whoa. The aorta, that's a major blood vessel for the heart, is big enough for a human child to crawl through. Wow. You can crawl through a blue whale's heart like it's a playground. Neat. Oh, whoa. Ready? Fact number 3. Whales are very good divers. The sperm whale can stay underwater for almost 2 hours. And they can dive to over a mile deep. Whoa. Sperm whales are the best divers ever. Ready? Fact number 4. The male narwhal has 2 teeth. The left one pierces the animal's lip and grows to an incredible 9 feet long. In the old days, people used to think a narwhal's tooth was the horn of a unicorn. People were silly back then. Jeez. Ready? Fact number 5. Whales live for a very long time. Bowhead whales are the world's oldest mammals. They live to be over 200 years old. Wow. Bowhead whales are like the grandparents of the whale world. Ready? Fact number 6. Sperm whales actually sleep standing up. Also, for some reason that remains unknown, they only sleep between the hours of 6 p.m. and midnight. Weird. Can you imagine sleeping standing up instead of in your bed? That is nuts. Weird. Ready? Here it comes, the last fun fact about whales. Fact number 7. When whales feed, they engage in lunge feeding. Lunge feeding means that they open their mouths and swallow their entire body weight in water. Whoa! When they do this, the small fish and plankton in the water is then absorbed and eaten. Wow! That is a lot of water. Cool, lunge feeding. I never knew what that was. I love learning new things. Well, kids, that has been 7 fun facts about whales. I hope you had fun, 'cause I did. Well, please tune in next time. Until then, I will see you later. See ya! Auf Wiedersehen! Bye!